In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change message format from HTML to rich text or plain in Outlook. When you compose an email, Outlook can send it in three formats. HTML supports fonts, colors, images, and tables. And it's the best choice for most modern email because it looks consistent across devices. Rich text is Microsoft's older format that preserves advanced formatting inside Outlook. Plain text is the simplest option and removes all styling, leaving only words and links. For most people, HTML is the recommended default, while plain text is handy for very simple messages or strict text-only policies. Let's start in classic Outlook with a single email. If you want to change the format for just one message, open a new email or click Reply or Forward on an existing one. On the ribbon at the top, switch to the Format Text tab. In the Format group, you'll see HTML, Rich Text, and Plain Text. Click the option you want and Outlook converts the current message immediately. Note that switching to plain text strips bold, colors, images, and other styling, and embedded pictures will become attachments. Rich text can cause issues for recipients who aren't using Outlook, sometimes showing a windmill attachment, so use it mainly within organizations that standardize on Outlook. Your subject line and recipients don't change, only the way the message body is formatted. If you'd rather set a default for every new message in classic Outlook, go to the File tab and choose Options. In the window that opens, select the Mail tab. Under Compose Messages, find Compose Messages in this format and choose HTML Rich Text or Plain Text. Click OK to save. This affects new messages you create after the change. Replies may still follow the format of the email you received, unless you override it using the Format Text tab while composing. This setting doesn't retroactively change messages you've already sent or received. Now, in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the setting lives in a slightly different place. Click the Settings gear icon in the upper right. Select Mail, then Compose and Reply. Under Message Format, choose whether you want HTML or plain text and click Save. Rich text isn't used here, so it's simply a choice between modern HTML and the simpler plain text. If you change your mind later, just return to the same menu and update the selection. That's it. Pick a format, per minute a Sage when you need to, or set your default once and move on. Thanks for watching.